With AI, you have the potential to earn money online. This article will highlight the top ways to do so. However, the exciting part is a unique way of thinking about AI that enhances your ability to generate business ideas and access powerful AI tools, allowing you to make money immediately. Before everyone else catches up, there are websites where you can sell your AI-powered creations, such as promptbase.com. There, you can find and buy AI-powered solutions for tasks ranging from portrait creation to business name generation, video game assets, and even dream girl generators. You can even tweak and resell these AI solutions for a profit. In this article, you will learn about the AI opportunity paradox, the key skill that can significantly improve your AI business, and 4 AI business ideas you can start today, even if you lack sellable skills or a unique idea. Although AI has gained notoriety for replacing jobs, it will also open up many doors for business creation. People are eager to spend money on AI-powered solutions, and you can take advantage of this trend by utilizing AI in your own business ventures. Soon, you will not be limited to just your current skill set, as AI can perform a variety of tasks such as coding, creating images, and more. While AI may replace some jobs, it will also unlock many other skills you have never tried. To succeed in business with AI, it's crucial to understand that people will pay for convenience. The key to making money with any business, especially with AI, is by providing value and convenience. This is known as value through convenience and quat. A good example is Lensa, a company that made millions of dollars by using AI to turn selfies into avatars, making the process easier for users. To make real money in business, especially with AI, it's essential to focus on providing value and convenience to your customers. AI image generators can sometimes be clunky, but by downloading an app on your phone and paying $10, you can get the photos you want. This is just a glimpse of what the future holds for AI-driven businesses. Companies that offer AI services will be selling products or services that anyone can access, but people will pay these companies because they make things easier. To succeed in AI businesses, one must think about how to package a useful or entertaining AI feature into a convenient service. User experience will be a key factor in determining which AI businesses succeed and which ones don't. A great platform that is easy to use and feels great for the customer is necessary for success. Writing down AI business ideas, even the bad ones, can lead to a great one. Consider starting an AI gift service that gives solid gift ideas based on information about the person you're buying for. However, to get a good response, you need to know a bit about the person. The concept of prompt engineering is the art of effectively communicating with AI to get the desired results. In my free 4-part series, I am exploring the limitless potential of AI. In my previous video, I highlighted the importance of becoming proficient in prompt engineering. With this skill, the AI world is your oyster. In this video, I propose an AI-powered gift-giving service. By collecting information about the person for whom you're buying the gift, the AI model can generate perfect gift suggestions. The service could be connected to an e-commerce site like Amazon with affiliate links, earning you commission on purchases made from your AI's recommendations. Another idea is a branding service using AI to create branded content at the click of a button. By listening to the needs of local businesses, you can fulfill their branding needs using AI. As an example, you could use AI to generate names and design logos for a martial arts store with terrible branding. The author is discussing the potential for AI in various businesses, including prompt engineering. In one business idea, the author suggests using AI to train a model to recommend gifts based on a form filled out by the user. This service would also have affiliate links with Amazon for commission on purchases. Another business idea is using AI for logo design and branding services, offering free services to local businesses in exchange for testimonials, then posting the portfolio on freelance platforms. The author also mentions the potential for AI in writing, such as producing entire books or pitch decks, and serving medium-paying jobs in writing. The writer suggests using AI tools to produce content quickly, then manually tailoring it to the client's needs. The idea is to work on the AI prompts a bit to avoid any search engine detectors, which are becoming more prevalent. To provide good service to clients, you still have to personalize the AI's output to meet the client's needs. This is where you add value by offering excellent customer service. By posting your portfolio and ads on sites like Upwork, you can easily find jobs that pay hundreds or even thousands of dollars a day. To maximize your success, you can use AI tools like Dolly or Mid-Journey to produce high-quality, sellable art. To take it a step further, you can use Etsy and analytics to match your AI creativity with market insights. Start by searching for popular print posters on Etsy, then use the product descriptions as prompts to recreate similar posters. Make sure to check everything for quality and meet the client's needs, and you can become a one-man agency. This passage describes the use of AI to create and sell various types of products such as posters and menu photos. The author suggests using AI tools such as Allura and Mid-Journey to analyze consumer preferences and create art that matches what's selling. They also suggest connecting to services such as Prodigy to sell the products directly to customers. The author encourages the reader to think of their own unique ways to leverage their skills and provide a valuable service using AI. They mention the potential to earn thousands of dollars and even become an AI millionaire. The author concludes by asking the reader to subscribe and jokes about destroying humans.